we're gonna throw a couple of chains over these and we'll haul all of this stuff home. Can you pull it tighter? Yeah. Keep going. My gosh, the mosquitoes are killing me. That was good. Ugh. And it is horrible. We don't have mosquitoes like this at our place, but man, being next to the river may not be a good idea. If you're looking for property, somewhere away from the water may be better to avoid all these stupid mosquitoes. Hey, was there any other place to hook on? Or is that as good as it gets?
I don't know. Well, that one built some hooks on this when you get it welded.
All right. Hey, what about up higher? Mr. D, you like this? If it'll hold and stay tight.
Like right here?
Oh, I was thinking right there.
Small.
Yeah.
It's not worth. I go look.
Stay right there. Amos! Hang on, turn around. Where'd he go? Roll. Cheater bar. I highly recommend you get one.